Hey guys, welcome to today's tutorial and welcome to iPhone 360 once again. And here we are going to understand today very important concept that how we can edit an issue which we created. So we will go to our Jira for Software Testers course, and from here we have a separate section for it. Here it is written as well. We can ultimately, I believe you already know that editing an issue means to edit or to change the details which we created in Jira. So how we can do that? So without wasting any time, let us come to our Jira project, and from here let me just refresh it. If I will refresh it, let me do, so you will see that our clone one is also appearing, and let me click on this one. So I want to edit this issue. So editing is very simple. I just can from here click here and I can change as a customer. If I want to remove this and edit, I can just do that. And if I want, I can change here as well. I just have to do a single click on each section and I can do the changes as itself, and I will save. Now same, if I want to change assignee, I will click here. I want to unassign it. Reporter, I want to select admin account or anything, I can select as well. Label, if I want to remove it, I can delete. I just click and delete. And these things, that is how we can edit a particular issue. So I hope editing an issue seems very simple and very easy concept for us. Thank you. Hope you like this video. Bye bye.